Hey guys, it's me, Kate. Today we are going to be making slime. So let me just go get the ingredients. I already have the shaving cream and glue upstairs. Today we are going to be using Tide, which is kind of new for me, not really. I usually use borax. Today we're using Tide. So, yeah. Today we're doing something different. Got Tide. It's cool. I usually use borax, so this is different for me. I used to always use Tide, but I never had any borax. Okay, so here's our bowl. So I'm just gonna put you right there. And here's the glue.
Why do you have to make so much slime? Like, you make one and play with it. That's it.
We'll do this. Shut up. Shaving cream. Okay, so it's super thin, so I'll just...
I'd be angry at it. Not happy, I can tell you. He was sentenced to 4 years in jail. On my first few days in there, I was told by them that if I admitted to having committed this crime, I could get released early. I told them I was sad. I didn't need to admit to them anything. Not that I had anything to admit to.
But I had a lot. That was a lot.
Eddie Moss was released from prison after 2 years. Returning to Albany, he found a job as an undertaker.
So,
At his trial, his son Michael
I guess it's not working, guys.
suspect for the murder of Sharon Mahmood.
When I'm rested up.
What time?
I don't know, after lunch.
Oh,
As unusual,
stop playing. That's in 3 hours.
the suspect
No, it's in 1 hour.
argues that the Cosmo Ross
So guys, the tie did not work, so I'm gonna go grab some borax.
son. The cover-up which put Eddie Ross in jail made no sense unless his son had committed the murder. But Michael screamed free. The line he rebranded as the restaurant hitman.
What's up?
Well, he finished his studies.
Get over here now. Then you don't touch my Xbox again.
No, it's my Xbox.
It's not yours.
Didn't have enough to
Never
charge
used
him.
it.
Yeah.
Period. Obviously,
Even his daddy does stuff. It's not.
Cells
No,
in
it's
relation
not.
specifically to DNA, and the bullet casing and bullet were subjected to DNA testing. Unfortunately,
It's your
didn't
Xbox,
yield
okay?
any new information.
Kids don't play with it.
The witness evidence was reviewed over this time, but no further information contained. In effect, we had a concealed murder.
So, like, it doesn't work.